During my last online search, I came across something quite surprising. I found exposed webcams, CCTV cameras, and passwords of databases. It was shocking for me because this is how easily hackers can look into sensitive information by only using Google. So hello guys, I am Hassan and I am on a mission to teach people about hacking and cybersecurity. Join me on this journey by hitting that subscribe button. So today we are going to talk about Google hacking or Google Dorking. We will be exploring some practical techniques to find vulnerable CCTV cameras, webcams and databases. So first, let's understand what Google Dorking is. It is a legit technique used by hackers to find files and web pages that are not secure or information that has been made public by accident. Let me show you a simple example. So now I am on my screen. So by using quotation marks, we can search for an exact phrase. Suppose I want to look for a term hacker inside a website named hackproofhacks.com. Then we are going to type site hackproofhacks.com, the website that we are going to target. And after that, I will need to enter the keyword and I am going to enter hacker over here. And if you scroll down, you can see all of the results are from only hackproofhacks.com. And every result contains a term hacker in it. By the way, this is my website and you can visit this website for the articles related to hacking or cybersecurity. Now let's move on to more advanced search operators. One search operator that we can use to find a particular file type is file type colon. Suppose I'm looking for the file type PDF for the word hacking. Then I can enter the search term file type colon PDF and then we can give a word or phrase here. I'm giving it hacking. You can see every result contains PDF. You can click on this and now you can see we are redirected to the PDF file. And by using this, you can download any ebooks for free. And now let's see how we can find vulnerable webcams. In order to find open webcams, I will need to enter in title webcam XP5. So it will going to fetch all of the web pages that contains webcam XP5 in the title of the web page. And I will need to use another search operator as well, that is in URL colon 8080. So this search operator fetch all of the pages that contains 8080 in the URL of the web page. So when we hit enter, it will going to show us the results only for the webcams that are open to the internet. So if we are going to click on that, here you can see it is a live view of someone's office and you can see the current timing over here. So if you are going to install any CCTV cameras or webcams in your office or your home, then make sure it is secured with passwords. Let's see another one, how we can fetch password of databases. For that, I will need to search another file type with a specific phrase, that is db_password file type nv. If we hit enter, see I am getting passwords of databases as well. You can see it from the preview. If you click on that, now you can see it is a configuration file of a website or a server. You can see the database host, database username and the database password as well, that is sql@this. Likewise, you can click on another link and now you can see it has also a configuration file. See how easy it is for a hacker to grab sensitive information online. If you want a list of these Google Docs, then you can check the description of this video. That's a wrap up of our exploration of Google Dorking. If you are excited to learn more about these kind of hacking techniques, then hit that like button, share this video and don't forget to subscribe for more content.